I assume your mother died without a will.
Grieving sisters tried to keep it friendly.
She took your mother's car and she gave you the car that she was driving.
Then Big Sister blew it.
You were pulled over by the police and your sister took the car back. I would have taken the car back too.
But she couldn't be stopped.
They both drove the vehicles and got a possession charge. We came back to both of them wrecked and destroyed.
Judge Judy.
Ms. Parker, the defendant is your sister.
Yes, ma'am.
How many siblings are there in the family?
Just Brittany and Brandon, my brother.
So there are three of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Your mother died last year?
Yes, ma'am.
2018?
17.
What month?
December 1st.
And when she passed away, one of the things she had was a car.
Yes, ma'am.
She had a 2002 car that your sister wanted.
Yes, ma'am.
And I assume that your mother died without a will.
Yes, ma'am.
Based upon this, you seem to be under the impression that as her oldest child, you were therefore in charge of everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, that's not true. Just so I'm disabusing you of that fact.
Okay.
Court can fix an executor or may fix three if there are three siblings, if there's enough property that has to be divided. In any event, you made an arrangement with your sister. She took your mother's 2002 car and she gave you the 1999 car that she was driving.
Yes, ma'am.
So far, correct?
Yes, I loaned it to her under...
No. Don't tell me that you loaned it to her, because that's not true. You were driving a 2002 car. She took the 1999 car.
Yes.
Right. But you were supposed to have insurance and have the car titled in your name, because otherwise you're driving around in a car and she's liable for it. Did you have the 2002 car titled in your name?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good. And you paid insurance on it?
Yes.
And you still have it?
The Escort I actually had to sell.
I don't care if you sold it, but while you were driving it, I asked you, was it insured and registered?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your name?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you drove around the car for a long time, unregistered in your name, and you didn't pay insurance. Your sister took back the car. That's why we're here.
Right. She took it because she told me that the 2002 Impala was in the shop and she needed to borrow it.
Well, that's nothing about you both wrote in the complaint in an answer here. In the complaint here, if my memory is correct, you said you were pulled over by the police.
Because...
Just
yes.
a second. You said you were pulled over by the police and your sister took the car back. I would have taken the car back too. So you had a 1999 car that you drove for how long?
A year.
And you paid nothing for it.
Actually, me and her worked out an agreement that as long as I had a driver's license and was insured, that I helped her with her insurance monthly, and her insurance never went up when I was added on to it. And I did give her cash to help her with half the $60. I'd give her $30 to help her out.
I don't believe any of that. I think you just drove the car. So I don't know what it is that you want.
I do have the insurance showing that I was on her insurance.
That she paid the insurance.
Yes.
You have any proof that you paid the insurance?
I don't have any proof
No.
of that, no.
Okay.
I just gave her money out of hand, gave her cash, honestly.
Okay. I don't know what you want. You traded cars. You were supposed to put the car in your name. You never put the car in your name. Was there any reason you didn't put the car in your name?
There was. She did not actively have the title at the time that we made this decision, and she was going to apply for a new title. She had told me when she took the car that she was waiting for the new title to come in the mail, and then she would then give me the car back with the new title and switch it in my name. And I have that in the police report that she told the officer the day she took the car.
Let me see, please. That I'm interested in. Were you living together? December 21st, 2018, were the two of you living together? Is a question. That is, there is a yes or a no.
On December 18th,
On December 21st.
On December 21st, she had just announced to us that she was moving out overnight.
Were you all living together?
Me, my son, and her all had a place together.
Right. So you were living together?
Yes.
So you were living together, driving the car, all living in the same household?
Yes,
What am I
ma'am.
getting involved with this? Who's Dolores LeGrand?
Myself, Your Honor.
You were the driver of the car.
I was the driver that was instructed by the Sheriff's Department to follow her.
What do you have to do with this case?
May I? Thank you, Your Honor. I'm basically the witness because when we came back from a cruise in 2018, when we came back from the cruise is when both vehicles, we came back to both of them damaged and wrecked.